There's a 275-page manual of how to keep kosher.
Man.
Health department is easy. Bring it on.
Right? Oh, man.
The rabbi is what'll get you.
Hi, welcome to Kosher Table. I'm your host, David Rodriguez, and we are here at the Adamah Neighborhood Table to pick up Chef Jason Kierce. He is one of Madison's most unique chefs. And today you'll find out why. He's inside, and I'm gonna go get him. Jason.
David.
Welcome to Kosher Table, man.
Welcome to Adamah.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
I know that Todd and Chantel are very hungry, but first, what are you bringing?
Oh, I'm excited. So it's been a while since I've had the smell of challah. So I really want to make some challah. I wasn't sure. I labeled it just in case we get pulled over. This is baking powder. All right. We got some Jewish bacon. If you've never had it, I'm going to blow your socks off.
I'm ready.
And then some lovely gifts for our hosts. I got some UW Hillel Wisconsin shirts and some lovely kosher wine.
Perfect, man.
I'm excited.
Let's roll.
Let's do this.
I'm definitely gonna get pulled over.
Oh my goodness, well.
How'd you get into cooking, man?
Well, I've always cooked as a kid. I didn't really grow up in the best family, and so I had to fend for myself a lot. So wow. I had to create, my own dishes and stuff like that. And I knew that I may have had an inkling when I would never want to read a recipe. I'd like to look at the ingredients and then try to figure it out on my own.
Sure.
I actually went to college in the business sector. I got a business degree and then did nonprofit management for 13 years with the Boys and Girls Club.
Okay.
And then switched over to the for-profit sector and worked in banking. And then I did a stint in internal consulting with Associated Bank, doing Six Sigma work. Yeah, I was wearing a suit every day. And so then one day maybe I was soul searching or what. I was taking a client out to Johnny Delmonico's, and I went to the restroom and I looked into the kitchen and I saw the chef there, throwing up his, saute pans and screaming, "Hey, I need this, how long?" Blah, blah. And I was like, man, that looks like so much fun. I've moved myself around different kitchens, at least my first 2 to 3 years, on purpose, because every move that I made was methodical to get a skill that I didn't have yet. So
sure.
When I went to Blue Marlin, I wanted to learn fish.
Yep.
And seafood. When I went to Gray's, I wanted to learn how to get my butt kicked, and also farm to table. And then just worked my way around different spots. A job at Hillel opened. I was actually working for Blue Plate Catering, and I didn't even know what a Hillel was. I had to ask my wife, and she's like, "Oh yeah, that's a Jewish place." And I was like, "Okay." I don't know anything about Judaism. I'm from Birmingham, Alabama.
Yeah.
What I did know with the job ad was that they didn't work on Saturdays. And so I have not seen Alabama football for 5 years since joining the restaurant industry. So I was like, nah, this sounds awesome. I get to hang out with my family and I get to watch Coach Saban.
First time I've driven a hybrid by Mini. They're saying fastest 0 to 60 of any Mini in production.
Well, it's definitely the nicest looking.
Out of a hybrid, so that's pretty sweet.
But so UW Hillel is a nonprofit, the second oldest Hillel in the entire country.
Wow.
In 1924 was incorporated, and Adamah is part of that. So we're not even our own LLC. We are actually part of the UW Hillel. We're unique in the fact that, take all the whole kosher thing out, we're a nonprofit who owns a nonprofit restaurant.
Sure. Well, it sounds like you're lucky, man. You like your job. I
do like my job, and a lot of people don't have that, but I do. It's a great balance between family life and putting a good hard day's work in. But it's also, I love the Jewish community. I'm a Christian, and I work for a Jewish organization, but we're all the same people, and I love the food, and I love the traditions, and it's a really cool, fun thing, and it's kind of weird that I found it.
Yeah. So I think I'm gonna have you go through these bags.
I totally forgot about that.
I did, and I have something to tell you. You're making brunch today.
Oh, well, I'm glad I brought the beef fry.
I know. When you said that, I was like, oh, this is gonna be on.
Well, then maybe the challah is not gonna work. Although I could do challah French toast.
That'd be amazing, man.
All right. Well, Yuppie Hill. I love the name. Although it should be. Are there yuppies anymore? I thought they're hipsters now. Are they? Are they not the same thing?
Well, they're still yuppies. They're old and they own farms now.
Well, still. All right. What else we got? I got some chives. That works out well. Got some plums. Got some red potatoes. Got some celery or carrots. Oh, that's parsley.
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like the end of celery. Well, we're gonna have to do a taste test.
Right.
All right, this is gonna be fun.
Well, you could maybe do like
and you give the kosher guy bacon. All right. And is this is it smoked trout?
Yeah.
All right, we can do that. A little trout salad or something. All right. Cool. All right.
We've just arrived at Todd and Chantel's, and we're about to go cook some brunch. We'll see you on part 2.